What's up guys, you're watching the Situ, and if you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP-103047-5, unable to connect to the server. So it's a network error or server error. Simply, I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Go to the screen, you must go to the settings and check the application also, and then you just go to the settings. And here we are, and then user and account, you must check your PSN account is logged in or not, and then you just go to the network, your PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down and undergoing maintenance, that's why your internet is not connecting. If the server is working up and good, then you have local internet problem. If the server is down, you just wait, so it will fix this up automatically. Here you just set your own internet connection, frequency setting, advanced settings, go to the DNS settings. Here you can set your own internet connection, MTU setting 1500. You can change the primary DNS and a secondary DNS. You can use a wired LAN. It's a wired LAN. You just simply connect from the router to PlayStation 5 directly, and you will get the better speed on it. And you can change the DNS settings, primary DNS, secondary DNS, which one is working good in your country. You just search it and put it back here and set up a new connection. So that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.